Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the Valero gas station with a Ryko Radius HT.
Have we been to a Ryko Radius HT before?
No, we've been to an ultrasonic 2001 overhead.
Okay, so this is at least my first time, or is this your first time?
Yeah.
So this is everyone's first time on this, correct?
Yeah, our first time.
I knew that I had not heard of it, and YouTubers, we've been to hundreds of car washes.
Yeah.
And this is the first time not knowing the system.
Yeah.
For me.
Yeah, even though we've been to a lot of different car wash systems.
Yes. Is this a newer system or an old style system?
It's a newer Ryko Radius HT, so we'll turn it to here. And the car wash is behind the store. Okay, let's see if we can drive through here. Because this is wide back here.
Yeah,
which it means,
okay.
Yeah, we don't have to go around the front, but it looks like we're gonna have to readjust a little bit when we need to pay.
You don't have to worry because the driver is an excellent car wash driver, as long as there's no rails. Correct?
Yeah. Correct.
The driver's just not good with rails.
Right. Oh, insert code or insert card.
Okay.
All right.
It looks really clean. The base.
It is a newer system.
Okay, blaster, 18 seconds.
I like to go past the water quick because of the batteries.
Oh, the batteries are airtight. Tesla can swim.
Tesla can swim.
Yeah, they can float.
Yep.
Yeah.
And we'll say don't try it at home, right?
All right. Yeah. Imagine if it hit, that would have been bad.
Did I do it again?
What?
Too close to the left side.
Oh no. Actually, the driver looks like she has centered the vehicle perfectly.
Yeah.
I think the driver would say that the car wash is not centered.
Right.
Correct?
Right. Even though I would have got that on video if it hit the mirror.
That would have been
would that have been funny?
That would have been crazy.
Should we put the mirrors in right now, cameraman?
It didn't hit.
Okay.
As long as it didn't hit.
Right. Even though we know if it hits, it will be on video.
I remember that time when it did hit.
They hit the mirror?
In Irvin.
Oh boy.
YouTubers, have you seen that video? Or did cameraman put the... Did you upload that?
Yeah.
Hitting the mirror?
It literally hit.
Yeah, it was on this car.
Hit really hard too.
Yeah, it was on this car too.
Did you
it
laugh?
did not hit. Jordan didn't hear that.
Oh boy.
It hit hard. I mean,
Hey Dad, remember that wash in Frisco that hit the mirror of the truck on the right side? And we had to quickly roll down the window and pull that in?
Oh yeah.
Hey Mom, imagine if you parked a little bit more to the left.
Oh
that would have been crazy.
God. I mean, just probably about a half an inch it would probably hit.
Yeah. Oh, that's a lot of pressure.
Oh yeah. Because of the pressure, maybe it got all that dirt off.
Yep. Saying high impact wash. Yep.
What is this again? A laser wash?
It's a Ryko Radius HT.
Oh, this is Ryko?
Yeah.
Oh, I've never seen an HT either.
Right.
This is brand new, huh?
Yeah. High impact
How'd you find this
wash.
one?
Well, Google Maps. Well, this one they just literally installed this. Like I think a few months ago. I know another YouTuber filmed this at least.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's some big soap.
Yep. Try Keller foam and wax now.
Wax. Too bad the mask is on. I wanted to smell it.
Oh, now it's saying rinsing.
This is a good one. I'll bring my car back.
Yeah. We would have got you on camera if you hit that mirror. Remember when I caught the other one on camera?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's saying service sealant. You know, you just fixed your setting, Mom.
Yes, I did. I had to. I knew something was off.
Yeah.
Rinsing.
Yep, rinsing.
Windshield looks pretty clean.
Yeah.
It's pretty. Oh, I don't even have to. Okay, it's gonna dry, huh?
Yeah, look at the dryer. It's oscillating on top.
Oh, it sure is. Wow. Now, do you think we're gonna get dry, or are we gonna have to towel it off?
We'll see here.
Okay.
You got a towel in the trunk?
Yeah, y'all left them.
Yeah.
But if that's the worst, it's not a bad one.
Right. And if it doesn't dry too good, want to just go park somewhere else and grab the towels?
See a little sensor right there.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yep, that's the sensor.
You see that? And
Yep.
there's one on your side too.
Yep.
See what else? It
Drying.
doesn't have those tracks, but it's moving back and forth on the rail up top.
Yeah.
Glad the rails are up there, huh?
Yeah. Just like if it's a water wizard, the rails are on the ground.
I did find some chains, so I think the chain in between.
Yep.
It says the nearest Buc-ee's is 20 miles away. Does that sound right?
Yeah. But we gotta get back home, so I'm gonna type in Costco. Woo!
Yeah.
Well, we're doing it now. We gotta be to our one appointment at 3 p.m. in Argo.
So it's giving us another pass. That's good.
1 p.m. 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Still running out of time.
We're not gonna be out of time.
We could actually just go to Buc-ee's and go to Costco or Lewisville.
Hey Dad, it looks like this one's doing a 4-pass dryer.
And it's not doing a bad job, you know?
Alright.
And it's heated truth looking at the side, like the mirror. I can see like the car is really shiny.
Yeah. But we'll know if it's worth it.
Yep, in just a moment, won't we?
Yep. We'll get out in a minute.
And we'll give them the ratings. What do you rate it from? Like scale of 5 or 10?
Well, we'll see once we get out the car.
Okay, we'll go to Buc-ee's at home and then go out to Costco and Lewisville.
I'm gonna do whatever I say.
Yeah.
Because I'm the driver.
Yeah, part of the airline.
This is definitely better than the one in Irvin that bumped the mirror. Alright. Wash complete. Please
Yay.
exit.
Actually got a good feeling about
Thank
this
you
one.
Thank you.
for your business.
Absolutely.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Thank you for washing the
You
Tesla.
were so polite. And
Yeah.
it says, please exit.
Yeah.
We will gladly
Yep.
exit.
Thank you for cleaning our Tesla.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Yep.
you. Thank
And
you.
have a good day.
Yes, it's gonna be a great one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Right.
So we want to say.
No, she actually did really good.
Let's find a place to park.
Do you see a garbage? Right here.
There's still some water on the vehicle.
You have a towel for me? I think they did a nice job,
Yep.
especially for the touchless.
Yeah, even though I didn't get that bird poop off, but I think Touch is having a hard time cutting those off anyways.
Yep.
I see a little soap on the side. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTubers. This was a Ryko Radius HT car wash at the Valero gas station. Bye.